Embark on a clutter-free journey with Reed Maintenance Services Incorporated, your prime destination for top-notch dumpster rental solutions. Whether decluttering your living space or undertaking a significant construction project, our premium services cater to all your waste disposal needs. Our commitment to excellence makes us a standout choice in debris management. Say goodbye to the hassle of waste removal, and let Reed Maintenance Services Incorporated redefine simplicity in dumpster rental. For seamless access to our exceptional services, dial 256-640-7888 and visit our user-friendly website at www.redumpsters.com. With a quick call or a few clicks, you'll be on your way to discovering the epitome of convenience in dumpster rental near you. Reed Maintenance Services Incorporated combines efficiency and affordability, offering a hassle-free experience that aligns with your unique requirements. Dumpster rental near me takes on a new level of convenience with Reed Maintenance Services Incorporated. We pride ourselves on delivering top-tier solutions to simplify your waste management endeavors. Our dedicated team ensures timely delivery and pickup, allowing you to focus on your project without worrying about the logistics of debris disposal. Experience efficiency and customer satisfaction with Reed Maintenance Services Incorporated, where dumpster rental transcends expectations.